Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find someone Instagram account by photo. Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you if it is even possible to find someone's Instagram account just by using photos. So yeah, it is possible to do that. You can do it via the Google Lens that is provided. So over here, if you go to Google Lens and select the picture and then search for the image, you will be able to find the person if that person is someone famous or someone renowned or someone who is a public figure. So if it is a person that is something like that, you will be able to find the person's Instagram account socials using this Google Lens option. Otherwise, if you want to find a normal person using the photo, there is no any other way that you can use to find someone's Instagram ID just by the photo, and I do not recommend you to do that as well, because it is a violation of privacy as well. Next, what you can do is, if you just want to find the person's Instagram ID, you can just use the search function that is provided by Instagram. However, searching by image is a feature that is still not available on Instagram, but if it is available on the future, I will make sure to update you with that as well. So for now, that's it. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.